What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and give us a thumbs up. If you like the information that we're giving, does something to YouTube's algorithms that just gets it out to more people and helps us out. All right, it's the all-in-one 25 digital business day number 20 results. We're doing a case study. We got a business that we're promoting, and we got a lead source that we're using to promote this. This is day number 20 so far, and we're already in profit. We we're already in profit with this business. Was in profit day one, just using this lead source um, called my lead gen secret right here. We'll go over this in just a minute. So let's look at day number 20 and see if we got a sale. Ding, ding, ding. Yes, we got another sale Tuesday, October 11th, 10/11. We got a sale, bringing us to 6 sales in 20 days, giving us a recurring income of $120 a month. $120 a month in 20 days. Um, we got the science down to this and the marketing down to it. And what I'm doing now is if you join me, I'm also giving you step by step training. We already made a playlist today of day one of everything that I'm doing to get clicks to my offer right here. And as you can see, I've already had 4,590 clicks to this offer. And this is where all my sales are coming from. No, I'm sorry, that's 4,500 clicks this week. Altogether, in 20 days, I've had 13,565 clicks. And would you believe me when I say that I've only paid $1 a day? So my lead gen secret gives you 100 leads every single day. And you email out to them. They give you an autoresponder and everything with that. Now, if you refer somebody, you get a bonus of 200 leads that you can email out to. So what the company's letting you do is buy more than one account. So I've got a total of 7 accounts, and each account's gonna cost you $30 a month, or $1 a day. But if you get in profit quickly, you're able to keep doing this and making money with it. So far, people with case studies with ClickBank, uh, this right here, the $25 all-in-one business, and other business opportunities are able to get a cash flow within their second and third month. As you can see, 20 days, I've already hit 6 sales, $120 recurring income. Um, get in where you fit in here. I would say only get 2 to 3 accounts starting out if you're on a budget. If you're not on a budget, go 5+ accounts, 5 or more accounts. And so what they do is your leads come into your back office right here in the mailing system. You select all your leads, and then you put a subject line, and you put your email. I give you all the email swipes if you join my team. And help you out there. But the best ones are made when you make them yourself. But I've got plenty of them right here on my desktop. Master email swipes, 90 day, 50 swipes. I got plenty of them, so I can send those to you if you need help with that. All right, guys, this is day number 20. We did get another sale. We did get another sale. And what I'm expecting this thing to do is just keep on rolling and rolling and rolling. Now, when you join me, go to my YouTube page. My YouTube page is going to have a playlist. Go to my playlist. and it's going to have all the training. Already got day one training in here. It's going to have all the training you're going to need to get started and get eyeballs on your offer. We got plenty more trainings coming up to show you how to get free unlimited traffic. This is day number 20, and I'll see you on day number 21. All right, guys.